Good afternoon, children. How are you? I hope you are fine and you are safe and you are just learning a lot of things. So, class 4 children, please all of you open page number 42. Okay. Here the page number 43 is there. So, obviously this page number is 42. Okay. This is the lesson 4, that is Yuki and tsunami. Okay, so now we are doing the what? Textual reading. The people of a small village in Japan get ready to celebrate a good rice harvest. But Mother Nature has other plans in store for them. So this is the skit about the skit. Okay children, and then what they have written here, it's like Mother Nature means it's an environment or the natural, the nature. Okay, it has other plans, or what are the other plans stored for them, that we will see, because they want to, what they are going to celebrate, they are going to celebrate the rice harvest. As we the Indians, we are celebrating the Sankranti na, so they are even they are also celebrating the rice harvest. Okay, now in this skit, what are the characters? Yuki, a young Japanese boy, Yuki's father, Yuki's mother, the first villager, second villager, village boy. These are the characters. Okay. As the curtain opens, so it is a skit in which the audience are present and one stage is there in which the curtain is there. The curtain about that is called as backstage. Okay, and when the curtain opens, it is like skit is going on. Okay, so as the curtain opens, Yuki's parents and Yuki are outside their home. They are getting ready for a festival that night to celebrate a fine rice crop. They are carrying paper, lanterns, baskets of food, flowers and other kinds of decoration. So here what they are saying, children, when the curtain opens, okay, when the skit is going to be ready, and then when the curtain open, that is have you seen whenever the movie started in the movie theaters, the curtain is going up? The same thing is happening here in the skit. Okay, now so what they have, the Yuki parents are there and they have what, they are just going to celebrate the rice harvest and they are going to decorate so many things. They have lanterns, basket of food, flowers and other kind of decoration, and they are celebrating the fine rice crop. Okay, Yuki hands a garland of silk flowers to his father. So what happened, he has handed over that garland of silk flowers to his father, and what he is saying, father, I cannot reach the branches of the tree, will you help me please? So here you can see, children, his father is here and Yuki is present, so he has a garland, okay, in which silk flowers are present. So what he is saying to his father, father, I am unable to reach the branches of a tree, so that he can place this garland. Now what has happened next, children? Father takes the garland from Yuki. Now that garland, this garland, he took from the Yuki's hands, and then what he is saying, these flowers are very pretty, Yuki. What he is saying, these flowers are very, obviously children, these flowers are very pretty, right? Our friends and neighbors will see them tonight when we celebrate our rice harvest. Strings the flowers across the branches of a tree. When he strings this garland on the branches of a tree, then he is saying to the Yuki that our relatives, our neighbors and friends, they will all see when we will celebrate the rice harvest. Okay, that is the reason he is doing all the decorations. Yuki, what the Yuki is saying, thank you father, that is better. Thank you father, that is better. Eagerly he is saying, because he was in excitement. Father, tell me again about grandfather. So what he is asking about his, he is asking about his grandfather. Now, father, everyone in our village remembers your grandfather. He was the one who taught us how to grow rice. Everyone respected him because he was so smart. So what happened? Now he is saying about his grandfather. His grandfather was so smart because in the ancient times most of the people don't know how to grow the rice. Okay, so his grandfather was very smart and so lucky that he knows the how to grow rice. That is the reason they can now celebrate the rice harvest festival. Yes. Yes, now next one children. Yuki's mother steps out of the house. First villager, village boy and other villagers walked back and fought across the stage in a small group. They are decorating the village. So, here more characters are representing here. Till here we have seen only Yuki and father in the skit, right? Now, Yuki's mother also steps out from the house. Even the first villager and the village boy and the other villager also has come across the stage. Okay, they are decorating the village. Now, what the mother is saying? There you two are. Actually, he is searching for Yuki and his father. Okay, now he is saying that, oh, you are there. Oh, we have lot to do before tonight. As they are celebrating the festival, so they have to do a lot of work today. Obviously, the decoration, celebrations, everything. Yes. If this is going to be great celebration, then we better get to work. So, if this celebration is very good or great, then we will get some work, okay, to do. So, that is the reason her mother was saying to the Yuki and Yuki's father. Okay. Now, father, Yuki and I were just talking about grandfather. Yeah, obviously, because Yuki's father was explaining about his father to the Yuki, yes or no children, and he was saying that he was so smart and he knows how to harvest the rice, how to grow the rice. Yes. Mother, yes, we will miss all grandfather Yuki, but we remember him every day by doing things the way he taught us, to Yuki's father. Okay, so what the mother is saying? Yes, we all miss grandfather Yuki, but we remember him every day by doing the things the way he taught us, because Yuki's grandfather actually knows how to grow the rice, and when he knows about this, he has taught them to the Yuki's father as well as mother and to all villagers. So, that is the reason they are just going to work for the rice harvesting itself. And then what happened? They are just remembering each and every day to his grandfather. Yes, to Yuki's father. Okay dear, that's enough memories of a day. Let's get cracking. Yuki can work by himself for a while. Okay. So, so today we have remembered a lot, and let's get cracking means let's start our work, because we have to do a lot of work in this celebration and the decoration, and Yuki can work by himself for a while. For Yuki can work by himself means he can do it alone. Oh, let him leave alone so that he can do his work. Okay. Father, now Yuki's father, what he is saying? I'll come with you dear. Now, who has gone? The father and the mother. Yuki's mother and Yuki's father went away, and the Yuki is also continuing his work. Mother gives a basket of fruits to Yuki. Now, what she has given? She has given a basket of fruits to Yuki. Yuki, I want you to take this fruit basket to the sea and make sure that the fruits are washed clean and dried by the time I return. Mother walks off stage. Okay, now the mother has obviously, when she has come to both of the Yuki and Yuki's father, then she has given what? Basket of fruits to Yuki, and she was saying she has actually ordered that just to go and wash in the water to the sea, and then make sure that fruits are very washed, very clean and dried by the time I return. So, because they are also doing the work, the mother and father also doing the work, Yuki's mother and father also doing the work. When they will return, the fruit should be dried also. Dried in the sense means dried, it's not about the dry fruits, it's about that it should not be what you call as it should not be prompt with water or accommodated water. Yes, okay. So children, next one we will see what will happen in the next video. Mother walks off stage. Now she has went away. In the on stage, Yuki is there. That villagers and village boy and first villager, village boy and other villagers are there. And then we will see the next part. Okay children, take care. Bye ma.